Start first, Jasmine. How many sides are in a pentagon?
5.
5 sides. Now, Mr. Kaufman's not the greatest here, but it's close enough. It's all right. That's why you need to use a ruler if they give you a ruler, but you know, if you don't. Now, the easiest way, obviously, to copy this is just on the iPad. You know, a little cut and paste action there. You got the same picture. Okay? Jasmine, sign your name. Now, someone raise your hand. Let's go with number 8 here, please. Let's roll through number 8. Explain how they are congruent. Dylan?
Same size, same shape.
Same size, same shape. Hey, Dylan, sign your name. Damien, what number? Number 1. I'm going to write the left one under the right one, line up the decimal. Annex an extra 0 when I need to. Damien, which one's bigger?
67,
Okay, 67 and 676 thousandths.
Yep.
Okay, Damien, sign your name.
I got confused.
Sergio, what number? 3. We got the GCF, greatest common factor of 36 and 45, sir.
9.
Be 9. Okay, 9 goes into 36 4 times, 9 goes into 45 5 times. Okay, Sergio, sign your name. Natalie, what number?
5.
5. 2,356 plus the number equals 8,884. Natalie, what do I need to do?
Subtract it.
I need to subtract what from what?
8,184 minus 2,356.
We got 884 minus 2,356. Okay. Borrow from the 8, make that a 7. That's a 14. 8, 2, 5, 6. 6,528. Natalie, sign your name. Miss Broken Wrist, what number?
Hey, don't make
6.
fun. Don't make fun about that.
We got 12y plus 558. What do I need to do first here, Amara?
You have to do 12
Come on.
times 27.
I need to take 12 times 27. Amara, what's 7 times the 2?
14.
Carry the 1. What's 7 times 1?
7.
Plus 1.
8.
Annex A. 2 times 2?
4.
2 times 1. You get 324, but am I done, Amara?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what do I need to do? I need to add the 558 to finish off this equation. And you should get 882. 882. Amara, sign your name.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. Rule, what number?
I want to try 10.
You want to try 10? That's all right. Let's go. Marco Polo planted a garden with 8 rows of corn. There are 15 plants in each row. He also planted 12 rows of tomatoes with 6 plants per row. There are 2 rocks at the end of each row. How many plants does Mr. Polo have in his garden? Okay, so are the 2 rocks, Jerome, relevant to this question? No, what's the word relevant mean? Do you know? You just answer my question without knowing, you just guess? That's all right, let's see. If the question asked Jerome, how many plants does he have? Are rocks really plants? Okay. So Jerome, the word relevant basically means, are the 2 rocks important in this question? No, so it's not relevant. Okay. Well, now, Jerome, I have 8 rows of corn, 15 plants in each row. So what do I need to do with 15 and 8? I need to multiply them. Jerome, what's 8 times 5? Yeah. 8 times 1? Plus 4? So you're 120. Now we have 12 rows of tomatoes with 6 per row. So what do I need to do with 12 and 6, Jerome? Multiply them again, and you're going to get 72. Now what do I do with 120 and 72, Jerome? Add them, because I'm looking for how many does he have in his garden. So what's 120 plus 72, Jerome?
192.
192 plants.
Yes.
Good job, Jerome. Sign your name.
I did it, guys.
It's a lot of plants.
This says.
Remember, guys, when we do stuff, okay, in these morning warm-ups, if there's one that you struggle with, okay, and that's the only one left, raise your hand and take a chance on it. Okay, you're not going to learn, Aiden, stop. You're not going to learn, okay, by just doing the easy problems every time. Okay? I'm telling you, some of the most important stuff I know is because I got it wrong in school. My teacher showed me how to do it the correct way. And that's the stuff I remember. Okay? Because the easy stuff you know how to do in your sleep. Okay? We all know how to multiply 5 times 4. Okay? Brianna, what number? 2. I need to write the left one under the right one. Line up your decimal. Now, Brianna, this 0 in the front, is it important? No, it doesn't really matter.
Yes.
Okay, so now which one's bigger? Yep, the 96 and 78 hundredths. They put that extra 0 there to make you get confused, okay? If it's in the front, it doesn't matter. Just like it's at the end, it doesn't matter. Okay? If it's at the very front and the very end, it doesn't matter. You can cross them all. Okay, Brianna, sign in. Eli, what number?
9.
9.
Oh, yeah.
I got the area of the triangle, 1/2 times the base. What's the base, Eli?
The base is 28. That's 20.
Is going to be 20 times the height, which is
28.
28. Remember, the height's always that dotted line. Okay? Now, Eli, is the number 20 even?
Yes.
Okay, so what's half of 20?
10.
10. So I cross that out. I'm left with 10 times 28. Eli, what's 10 times 28?
10 times 28 is 280.
280 inches what? Squared. Eli, sign your name.
Oh, don't do that.
And Quentin, number 4 here. We have 568 and 1900ths times 4.7. Quentin, when I multiply decimals, do I need to line them up, sir?
No.
No. Not when I multiply. Quentin, what's 9 times 7?
63.
7 times 1?
7.
Plus 6?
13.
8 times 7?
56.
Plus 1?
57.
7 times 6?
42.
Plus 5?
47.
7 times 5?
35.
Plus 4?
39.
Annex A?
0.
4 times 9?
36.
4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. Quentin, what's 4 times 8?
32.
4 times 6?
24.
Plus 3?
27.
4 times 5?
20.
Plus 2?
22.
22. A little rapid fire there. When you add these all up, you get this number. And then, Quentin, how many times do I need to move it,
Yes.
sir?
3 times.
Why 3 times?
Because there's 3 numbers after the decimal.
How many numbers after decimal? 1, 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. So 2 plus 1, Quentin told us is 3. So we need to move it 3 times. So at the end, 1, 2, a 3, right there. Quentin, read me that number, sir.
2,670 and 493,000.
493 thousands. Quentin, sign your name. And that is it for this one. While I'm reading this mystery number, so we're ready to go right when we get back from our restroom break, I want you to pull out your volume practice from yesterday. Okay? Volume practice from yesterday. The island practice. I know you submitted it, but I want to go over a couple problems so we're on the
Oh,
same page.
okay, I got the one.
And the winning number is
Oh, it's not me. Sergio.
Every time I do that, it was Sergio again.
He just gets lucky. Sergio, you want to send the charter again or you want starboard? Starboard. Once you have the volume practice up, you may line up quietly.
Bye, guys.